Balaram spent 17 years in Mathura, then he went off to Dwarka. He stayed there so many years, and finally he couldn't stay away, and he came here to Vrindavan by himself. He was drawn by the love of the Brajavasis, especially the gopis. And in one sense, he's more soft-hearted than Krishna. Krishna didn't come. Well, there's another reason for that. So Balaram came, and he stayed 60 days, Chaitra Vaishak Mas. 60 days dancing every night with the gopis. So tonight on Vaishak Purnima, and all these Brajavasis and Rajasthani Bhaktas, they're all doing Giriraj Parikrama, remembering that lila and seeing the beauty of Giriraj dancing under the moonbeams. To begin with, let us remember Krishna's name. Satatam kirtiyanto mam, yatantas chadridavrita. Always remember Krishna's name. Oh, Prahlad, may we always remember Krishna's name. You were always chanting. You were remembering Krishna's name. And you were chanting. So please bless me that I can always remember Krishna's name. And please bless me that I can remember my identity as Krishna's eternal servant. And please bless me that I can always remember my Gurudev. You're always remembering your Gurudev, Narada Muni. And please may I always remember the teachings of my Gurudev, Narada Muni. And may I remember, and please Prahlad, may I remember Krishna day after day, moment after moment after moment, hour after hour. May I especially remember Krishna at the time of death. But before that time comes, Prahlad, please bless me with that memory, that my memory will take me to the groves of Vrindavan. My memory will transport me to the apricot lila of the Lord. And I will enter the apricot lila of the Lord in my smaran. I want to go that far. I want to go into the apricot lila of the Lord and serve the Lord, Radha Gopinath, in the Rastakale Lila. And Prahlad Maharaj is such a great Mahajan. He's one of our Mahajans. Mahajans, the nature of Mahajans are very merciful and very kind. They give gifts, they give blessings. Memory power, they write books about it. The Karmis write books about it. Memory power, power of memory. Increase your memory power in 30 days. They have these kind of books. 16 ways to increase your memory. So these are some nice prayers to Prahlad Maharaj on this auspicious day. And as I mentioned, that we are also harassed by so many Hiranyakashipus. Prahlad Maharaj was really harassed by Hiranyakashipu. He was always trying to kill him in so many different ways. Which means killing Prahlad means killing his bhakti. Killing his pure bhakti. Because he is the beginning, the bottom of the pyramid of pure bhakti. So we have so many Hiranyakashipus chasing us also. And trying to kill our pure bhakti. So we can pray to the Lord, the Supreme Lord, and to Bhakta Prahlad, that he will bless us with remembrance of the Lord, and the Lord will destroy all the Hiranyakashipus within us that are trying to drag us away from the Lord and trying to throw us off of cliffs, trying to poison us, poison our thoughts. They try to throw him off a cliff, they try to poison him with snake bite, or feed him poison, have snake bites. Sometimes we're bitten by the snakes of envy. And so sometimes we want to jump off the deep end into deep Maya. And sometimes we're being poked by our own material desires. We're being thrown off the mountaintops of our mundane aspirations. So Hiranyakashipus are trying to kill us in various ways.